Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie, and it is Monday. It is I was going to say it was the last Monday in January, but it's not. We still have one Monday left. So happy Monday to everybody. Hope everybody was warm and safe this weekend, and everybody is doing well. I am looking like I am live. There's some people joining me. So if you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. It's great to see some of you on. Thank you very much. Hello, Brenda. Hello, Susan. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up so that I know that you are here. And let's see. Today is Monday, so the last day of our $9.99 special for the week. On Thursday, so our $9.99 takeout special is maitake mushroom risotto. So it has local cremini mushrooms and foraged mushrooms from Marcus, maitake mushrooms, and he foraged himself. That is to go. That is $9.99, a mushroom risotto. We also have our buy one get one free on anything on our menu. You buy that item and you get the same item for free. You can do that one time, and it is not valid towards our $9.99 specials. We've had a lot of people asking if they could do that, and I'm sorry, but we can't give away everything. So that is unavailable, but you can still get the $9.99 special, and you can get the buy one get one free. So you can combine those two, but you can't get a buy one get one free $9.99 special to go. So hope that makes sense to everybody. We have our wine dinner tonight. It is sold out, so it has been a busy. It will be a busy wine dinner for us tonight. Next Monday we have a beer dinner. I actually have some of the awesome beers here in front of me that we'll be doing. This is a beer blonde, jade beer. We're going to be doing a Excelsior Ithaca white gold. And these are aged beers. I mean, we have some really awesome rare beers. We're going to be doing a 2006 Monster Ale from Brooklyn Brewery, and we're going to be doing this awesome JW Lee's 2002 Harvest Ale. So those are some awesome beers. That is our lineup for next Monday night. Again, it is 4 beers and a dish for $29. You cannot beat that. That is a great deal. So reminder, we are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We're back open on Thursday. I know that our $9.99 special will be awesome on Thursday. I believe it's going to be a shrimp and mussel curry. So with rice, I believe that comes with rice. So that is going to be a great $9.99 takeout special as well. You can order off of our regular menu. We are open for dine-in, so you can come in and you can dine in the restaurant as well. We've had a lot of questions about that, so please join us here at Aroma Time. We'd love to serve you. So thank you everybody for watching me. Hello Mary and Connie and Catherine, Calvin. Happy Monday. Susan, Brenda, Ralph. Thank you so much everybody for joining me live. We are trying to stay warm up here, Mary. Thank you. Hopefully you are nice and warm. I believe you are down south. I just don't know where. And yeah, so today I'm going to make a vanilla old fashioned. I'm going to be using Shipwreck vanilla rum. It's a little bit, it's an old fashioned, but it's with rum instead of bourbon. So I am going to take some of these filthy cherries and put them in the bottom of my glass. I'm going to be muddling those with some blood orange that I've already cut up. So some blood orange. Muddle those all together. I'm going to put in a couple of Hella Bitters from Brooklyn. Hella Bitters, so about 10 drops of bitters. And then muddle that all together. And I think this vanilla rum is sweet enough where I don't need to put agave. So a lot of times you put agave into your old fashioned, but I believe it's pretty sweet, this vanilla rum. So Shipwreck vanilla rum, so shout out to Shipwreck. I'm going to add 2 ounces of rum. I'm going to mix that on up in there. It smells so yummy. Hello everybody. Thanks for watching. Hello Susan. Thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to put a little bit of ice in my old fashioned. Stir that on up. Stir it on up here. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. So I think a spiced rum old fashioned would be really good too. So stay tuned for that. up here. All right. And we're gonna go ahead and give that a taste. That's good. A vanilla old fashioned. I'm really an old fashioned person. If you want to add a little bourbon to it, you can add a little bourbon to it as well. If you have vanilla syrup at home, like a vanilla agave, you can add vanilla agave to it rather than vanilla rum. That's my favorite part about an old fashioned is the muddled fruit in there. So it's got a nice big chunk of cherry. So delicious rum, vanilla rum old fashioned. I'm gonna actually add a little bit more rum in here. Courtney's gonna take a picture. This recipe will go out probably maybe next week in our email. So if you want to make it at home, but it's pretty simple. You know, the fun part about making cocktails is you make them however you'd like at home. You have fun with them, you play with them, buy ingredients, and just have fun and play away. If you don't want to make them at home, guess what? You can always come here to Aroma Time. We'd be happy to make some awesome cocktails with you and play around, tell us what you like, and we'll find something fun for you. So again, Aroma Time is open tonight. We're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Our $9.99 specials, maitake mushroom risotto. It has local cremini mushrooms and maitake mushrooms at Marcus Forge. Our regular menu is available as well. They are sold out of our wine dinner tonight, and I think that is it. We'll be open on Thursday. Hope everybody has an awesome 2 days. Cheers, and we'll catch everybody soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful night.